Salam. Okay, guys, today I want to talk about money, food. Okay, guys, I'm Asal, and in this channel, I teach Persian and also I create another videos. And I have a second channel that is virtual tour, kind of walk with me. So I put the links in the descriptions. You can go and watch the videos and subscribe to that channel if you like. So you really make me happy if you subscribe my channel and also comment your opinion here. As I said in this video, I want to talk about money. Money in Persian is pul. Everyone uses money. We all want it and work for it. And in a foreign country, if you do not know what is the currency, you will be in a trouble. We should spend money, pul, for most affairs in the world. And almost we can't find anything free. In Persian, majani or rayagan. Rayagan is a formal word. In everyday speaking, we say majani, free majani. I will say it more slowly, majani. The Iranian rial is the currency of Iran, but Iranians commonly express amount of money and prices in toman. Formal way and academic writing it's toman, but people say toman. But toman is no longer an official unit of Iranian currency. 1 toman equals to 10 rials. 1 toman, 10 rials. Despite this usage, amount of money and prices of goods are usually written in rial.
Huh?
I know, it's confusing. I mean, the sign next to the goods at the stores, for example, a piece of clothes, you can see the tag price. They are written in rial, not toman. But when the salesperson tell you the price, he or she will tell you in toman.
No, God, please.
I don't know what happened. Um, that's it. They will tell you in toman, but they write in real. Did you get it? It's not that kind of hard. I don't know. Maybe I use it every day and everywhere, and I get used to it. But it's okay. Just watch the rest of the video. I want to talk about some phrases and useful phrases, and also a short dialogue between you and, for example, a banker. Okay. Also, US dollar and euro and pounds are all easily exchanged in Iran. You must exchange your money in a money exchange shop. In Persian, we say sarrafi. Sarrafi, money exchange shop. Or also you can exchange it in a bank, because foreign currencies neither accepted nor available in shops and stores. So it's better to use Iranian currency when you visit Iran. As I said before, you can exchange your money in a bank. In Persian, say bank, or in an exchange shop, sarrafi. But only you can go to the banks which have a sign of foreign exchange. Foreign exchange in Persian is khadamat arzi. You can see those signs on their entrance. Okay, it's not very hard. You can see on the entrance the sign of foreign exchange, or in Persian, khadamat arzi. And also you can find exchange shops in touristic places and also at the airports. They work legally and follow central bank regulations. So don't worry. Only exchange your money in banks and exchange shops, okay? So avoid treat exchangers. They may exchange them in higher or lower than the real prices. You know what I mean? Now let's learn common terms and expressions in the bank. Check, check. پول نقد، پول نقد. Cash. اسکناس، اسکناس. Note. سکه، سکه. Coin. حساب بانکی، حساب بانکی. Bank account. ATM or خودپرداز، خودپرداز. To tell you the truth is that most people here in Iran say ATM as in English. But keep in mind that the Persian equivalent is خودپرداز. 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 کارت اعتباری، کارت اعتباری. Credit card. اعتبار. Credit. اعتبار. سرمایه. Capital. سرمایه. One more thing. There are many ATMs everywhere in Iran, but they only accept domestic cards and travelers check مسافرتی may be accepted in some hotels and shops. So it's better and easier to have cash in form of dollars, euros, and pounds. And when you arrive in Iran, exchange them in Iranian currency. Let's see a short dialogue when you go in a bank and you want to give money or exchange your money. Okay, let's see. سلام، بفرمایید. Hi, may I help you? سلام آقا or سلام خانم. میخواهم یوروهایم را به ریال تبدیل کنم. اینفورمال. میخوام یوروهام رو به ریال تبدیل کنم. Hello sir or hello ma'am. I want to exchange my euros into reals. بفرمایید. این 10 میلیون ریال یا به عبارتی 1 میلیون تومان است. Here you are. This is 10 million reals or in other words 1 million tomans. ببخشید. امروز هر یورو چند است؟ Now in informal way. ببخشید. امروز یورو چنده؟ Excuse me, how much does each euro cost today? هر یورو 3945 تومان یا 39450 ریال است. ممنونم. من میخواهم اینجا حساب بانکی هم باز کنم. اینفورمال. ممنونم. میخوام اینجا حساب بانکی هم باز کنم. Thanks. I would like to open an account with your bank too. چه حسابی باز میکنید؟ پسنداز یا جاری؟ What kind of account would you like to open? A saving account or a current account? حساب پسنداز را ترجیح میدهم. Informal. حساب پسنداز رو ترجیح میدم. I prefer a saving account. لطفاً این فرم را پر کنید. Informal. لطفاً این فرم رو پر کنید. Please fill out this form. بسیار خوب. خیلی ممنونم. Okay, thank you so much. Okay, guys, here was the lesson. I hope it was useful for you. And if you have any questions, you can ask me in comments below and I will answer them as soon as possible. See you in the next videos. Goodbye. Adafes.